We start our discussion on the definitions provided in the regulations. So we start with adjudicatory function. Now, adjudicatory function includes any function of a court, right? So it's important that it's a function of a court that directly involves the application of law. Application of law to facts for the purpose of determining the rights, liabilities, status, or obligations of any party, including the hearing and disposal of suits, appeals, revisions, petitions, and applications, the recording of evidence, the framing of issues, the passing of orders on merits, and the pronouncement of judgments and sentences. So this is what we know, that these are the functions of a court, and they are defined to be adjudicatory functions in these regulations. Then administrative function is defined as including any function of a court, again, other than adjudicatory function, such as case filing and registration, cause list preparation, scheduling and listing of matters, issuing of notices, summons and processes, maintenance of records and registers, defect scrutiny, fee computation, certified copy issuance, and other ministerial and secretarial functions of the court registry. And the term administrative shall be construed accordingly. Now here if you see, so administrative function includes any function of a court other than adjudicative function. So that's why I was saying that in here, when they say judicial, adjudicatory, and administrative function of Supreme Court of India and don't define judicial, right? So that leaves as a confusion point where even judicial function might be interpreted as, because everything other than adjudicative function is administrative function. So does it imply that judicial function is adjudicatory function? Administrative function? No, right? So I believe the word judicial from there might be easily removed. AI audit. So means the oversight and accountability mechanism. We'll come into the details of it when we'll be talking about regulation 38 of these regulations. But overall, we understand what audit means. Okay, and AI audit means oversight and accountability mechanism provided under regulation 38 of these regulations. Of course, this is going to be audit for AI. Okay, but we'll come to it when we'll talk about regulation 38. AI committee means the committee of judges constituted in the Supreme Court or in each High Court for the purposes of these regulations. For the purposes of these regulations under regulation 33. So we'll also look at AI committee at its appropriate place when we'll talk about regulation 33. For this particular video, I think we'll stop at it.